Basically has four parts, okay? Epithalamus will include the pineal gland right there.
Wait, where is it exactly? Epithalamus?
Epithalamus includes the pineal gland, and at the stalk there's a little brown area, there's a nucleus which is called the habernolar nucleus.
That's the.
Where is that on? Where is that?
This is your pineal gland,
Yeah.
and this little bump right here is the habernolar. So that's the epithalamus. Then you got interthalamic adhesion, which is part of the thalamus. Okay? Then the ventral part right here would be the hypothalamus. Then you got the metathalamus, which is basically consisting of the lateral and medial geniculate bodies. So four parts classically described for thalamus. Okay? So metathalamus with the geniculate bodies, epithalamus with the pineal and the habernolar nuclei, endothalamic adhesion, and ventral to the thalamic area is the hypothalamus right here.
Does the hypothalamus have any distinguishing features?
Features?
Yeah, like
Tuber
is there anything
cinereum?
boundaries?
Tuber cinereum, yeah, that's where the pituitary stalk is. So in a ventral brain, in front of the mammillary body right here, see that brown area? That's called the tuber cinereum, or median eminence area. That's where you have the primary portal capillaries, portal system. It's where the nerve endings will release their releasing factors. So this is the hypothalamic tuber cinereum, basically, right behind the optic chiasm. I got some cross sections here, which is nice to see. So here is the optic chiasm, and you can see here the corpus callosum, which is commissural fibers. It connects to this white band right here. You can see the white band. That's called the internal capsule. And the internal capsule will project to the cortical areas by this corona radiata, these radiating fibers. And these radiating fibers will also help for the gyrus to communicate with each other. So this gyrus, for example, will come and communicate here. So those are called the association fibers, okay? This associates one area to another area.
So
Can
is
you
that
point
the
out-
same as corona radiata, or is that two different things?
It's part of the association fibers, okay? Corona radiata. And they all hook up with the internal capsule, which is projection fibers.
Okay. I was just wondering, what exactly is the internal capsule? Can you point it out there?
You see very faint,
Oh, that's
kind of like striated white fibers. That's the internal capsule.
So
Then if you're
inside is
careful, you can see another white band right here. That's the external capsule. So medial to the internal capsule, this
caudate nucleus.
area is the caudate nucleus. And right here below the external capsule are the another nucleus called the putamen. Another nucleus here is called the globus pallidus. Then you got here external to the external capsule another area which is called the claustrum, but claustrophobic claustrum.
That's all the basal nuclei?
They're all basal nuclei, and they are all very rich in dopamine, and they talk to each other on the thalamic areas, on the cortical areas, on the cerebellum, and for fine motor control. You got any kind of problem, you get Parkinson's disease, which is more so in humans than in animals. In animals, you can basically destroy this area. You don't see much effect. So animals are not a very good model for Parkinson's disease. Even though NIH funds some proposals for Parkinson model, I don't believe it. Okay, so you just don't develop.
Primates.
Primates, yes. Primates and humans, you get Parkinson's.